My name is Quintín Rivera Toro. I am from Caguas, Puerto Rico, and I am the artist who installed this sculpture right here. It's called Reconstructions. It's a loose title that I've given it because after the passing of the hurricane, we had to chop down a lot of trees and untangle a lot of branches. And all of a sudden, I came across this particular characteristic of branches, which is that they interlace themselves. So they have somewhat of an organic way of tangling and becoming structural. So based on this, I was inspired on the idea that we could literally build with what's left over, with the vegetative discards. And so here on the campus at the Universidad Ana Jiménez, there were tons of branches everywhere. So I decided to collect them, ensemble them, and I basically did three basic geometric shapes: a triangle, a square, and a circle. This is the square right here. So other forms or structures that came to mind when assembling these were trenches, or, well, houses, as I mentioned, or any form of shelter. This, at this point, might seem perhaps irrelevant, but during the days after the hurricane, life felt pretty intense, perhaps even dangerous, because of the lack of light all around the urban areas. And so the idea of protecting yourself from the unknown was very, very present. And since then, I've seen the project sort of like inhabit the space in a very organic way, which I find interesting because literally we could build structures, living structures, or other forms of structures with what's left over. To whom this video may concern, I thank you for your interest, and I hope we get in touch.